Okay, here is your first look of a 2026 Winnebago Thrive 22 MBH. So it is a double over double bunk model with a front Murphy bed. I love the front cap here. It's got a really sleek look to it. Overall, it's a very clean looking trailer. I'm going to walk around the outside of it here first so you can get a chance to see the exterior, and then I'll go in and break it all down for you. You have a power tongue jack with a light and two 20-pound propane tanks. You've got enough space to put two batteries, and you have a battery disconnect right there. We're going to give you one battery with the coach, and we will fill your propane tanks as part of our RV Essentials package. So your front storage compartment, huge amount of storage. It's finished. I like that it's temperature controlled. Got some side pockets on both sides, and then you've got your solar charge controller, and that switch there is for the front LED lighting. Okay, here is your power stabilizer buttons. One button for each side, so you got two up front and two in the back. I like that it's on the door side, so you can stand here on this side and put down all four jacks. JBL speakers. I really like these new steps. They're nice and wide. The depth of them are really nice, and they seem slip proof, and they're lighter than the traditional steps. They do fold up into the coach, which I will show you at the end of the video here. And you've got a nice large grab handle. Your awning takes up a good portion of the trailer. Covers all the main parts over your door, over your outside kitchen. Okay. You've got your fresh tank fill here, two power outlets for like a TV or power on the outside, and then your satellite antenna out. All right, furnace is on this side here. There is your big storage compartment back in your outside kitchen area. You have a fridge, power in here, and plenty of room if you want to bring your own grill. And then underneath, you do actually have a quick connect, so you can connect right into your propane. There's the other two buttons there to put down your power stabilizers. Winnebago does still include a ladder, so you can go up and maintain your roof, which you should do at least every 90 days. Check your seals. Okay. You got your hot water tank, outside shower, skylight hookup, your 30 amp charging port, or 30 amp port, and then your city water connection right here. I like that they actually give you a hitch on the back here, and it actually is rated for 350 pounds. That's pretty good. I see most of them are either 200 pounds or 300 pounds, so that extra 50 pounds could be the difference between how many bikes you want to put on there. Over on here, you've got your outside, you've got your black tank flush, your main dump valves there. Has the rack and pinion slide. Again, overall opinion of this is a really, really clean look, upscaled, elegant look to me. So that is your exterior. I will go inside and I will show you interior. Okay, I'll enter into the coach now. This is a front Murphy bed layout. Okay, which gets you the additional seating, a large U-shaped dinette with some really cool features. I'll go over that in a minute. Your bathroom, your double over double bunk beds, and then your kitchen. I'm going to pause the video for a second, set it up, and I'll go over the front with you. Okay, let's go over the front Murphy bed here. All right, so you have your couch here for sitting, watching the TV. Then you have your under the couch storage, big drawers, nice pull handles on them. You got a drawer on both sides. Now this accesses your front storage compartment. That little extra cubby hole space I was talking about in the front, that is access to that there. All right, in order to put your Murphy bed down, it's a clamshell style. You just pull up on that, and then real easy comes down and just unfolds. You've got a sheet there, the nice big front window. You got your reading lights, and then some additional storage here, drawer storage, CPAP, power outlets, USB on both sides as well, and then you got your overhead storage. Now to put it back up, you just fold your bed back in half like that. One hand easily just push it back up. It's on nice struts there. This is one of the nicest Murphy bed setups that we have on our lot. I feel really easy to put the couch back up. So that is your front Murphy bed setup. It does have roller shades, which is really nice versus those pleated shades. You've got some storage here. Looks like you take out this shelf and you got hanging storage there. Storage there where these are on tracks. And then all of your doors there are soft door close, like that. Now, here is your U-dinette. You have drawers open up there, and then you got lockable pull-out storage here, which I really like. So when you're traveling, it's not going to come out on you on both sides. And this table setup is a really unique table setup. Your ladder there was stored in one of the front cabinets here. I just took it out so I could show it to you. But you've got 12 volt back here, power outlet there. Again, roller shades, 3 overhead cabinets. And then this table allows you to actually move this way or this way and up and down for a bed position. Maybe I'll get that in the end of the video. All right. Your kitchen area. You have your 12 volt fridge. You have your microwave, your 3-burner stove top, which the glass down adds more countertop life of space, and then with it up acts as a backsplash. Your oven, silverware drawer I'll call it, 2 trash cans. Okay, here is your countertop space. You got a nice large deep sink with extendable countertop. This is a single piece of fiberglass. I've never seen this before. It's really, really nice. It has an elegant look, but it's very, very durable. And it also prevents any kind of water getting into the edges here and swelling up the wood. That's a really, really nice feature that I have not seen on any other trailer yet. Okay, let's enter into your bathroom. Here is your beautiful bathroom, nice and bright. You got your medicine cabinet, sink, some additional storage under storage there. My gimbal's going crazy on me. You got a shower with shower surround, fan, and then it's a porcelain toilet with a towel rack there. Okay. I will put down the video for a second, and I will show you how this table is actually going to adjust and go up and down. Okay, let me show you how this table system works. There is a lever right under here that allows me to actually move the table one way or the other. So if you have somebody who's a little bit larger, they have a little bit, and want to give themselves a little bit more space, you can, and then you just lock it in position to wherever you want it. Okay, then up front here, there is a real easy handle to get to. I like that. And it allows you to just go ahead and push it down into bed mode. Once it's down into bed mode, you'll use the 2 cushions here in the middle to go ahead and create a bed. All right, so overall, this is your 22 MBH Thrive. It's a beautiful, open feeling, spacious with smart storage design, I think. Overall, I really like it. I hope you do too.